Canva just quietly added something that a lot of people are still sleeping on, and honestly, this might be one of the most powerful features for anyone who wants to build functional designs without touching code. What makes this even better is that you can do everything directly inside Canva, from generating the code to publishing a working website. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Canva AI's coding mode to create your own registration forms step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build and publish your own forms with almost no effort. So let's jump right in. First, head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click on Canva AI. Once you're inside, what you want to do next is activate Canva AI's coding mode. To do that, simply hover your cursor below the prompt bar and click on the button labeled code. Now, before we generate anything, there are two ways you can approach this. If you've already watched our video on how to create compelling prompts, you can go ahead and paste your prompt directly into the prompt bar, then click the arrow to start generating. But if you haven't seen that yet, here's what you can do instead. Open your preferred AI chatbot and ask it to generate a prompt for a registration form based on your specific use case. For example, you can ask it to create a prompt for an online webinar about becoming a graphic designer. Once you get that prompt, don't just copy it immediately. Edit it first. Add the correct details like the title of your event, the date, the time, the venue if applicable, and the exact information you want to collect from participants. Once your prompt is ready, paste it into Canva AI and click the arrow to start generating. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked. Most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. After Canva finishes generating your form, at the top, you'll see a button labeled Data. Click on that and you'll notice that your form is connected to a Canva sheet. Open that sheet and you should see the submission you just made. If it doesn't appear right away, just click Data again on the floating toolbar to refresh it. Click on Use in Design and select Website so you can turn this into something you can actually share. Once it loads onto your canvas, you can freely edit anything you want, whether that's the text, layout, or overall design. When you're done customizing everything, go to the top right corner and click Publish Website. Now let's quickly test it. Open your Publish site in a new tab, fill out the form, and submit it. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional registration form using Canva AI, connected it to a database, and published it as a live website. In the next videos, we'll explore more ways you can use this feature to build different types of tools and pages, so stay tuned if you want to get the most out of Canva's AI features. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.